Now that you've got your Artfully account, we thought you might want a hand setting up events, shows, and tickets. You'll start creating your event from the dashboard. Your dashboard is your launchpad for everything you'll do with Artfully. Head to the top of the page and click on the Events menu, and then New Event. We'll start with a quick game of Mad Libs to help you get off on the right track. You are organizing an event, and that event will happen somewhere. Our event is now created. Now, we'll fill in all the details that will become the face of our event. If at any time you want to change the information for a whole event, you can open up the event from your dashboard and edit the information in this stacked side menu. About sets up the producer or producing organization of the event, along with the description and contact information. Venue sets up address information that will sync to a Google map for access to directions. Prices sets up general pricing options with cost and capacity details for the event. Image is where you'll upload an image. And Messages is where you'll put any additional information you need from patrons when they buy tickets or make their reservations. You'll notice in the About section, the event name has already been filled in. For the producer field, enter your organization's name or whoever is putting on the show. You'll want to use the description to give details about your production. Here's a tip. Think elevator speech. What do you need to communicate in 1 to 4 sentences to make people decide if they want to buy tickets? Contact email and contact phone info is how your ticket buyers will get in touch with you if they have questions or want to buy tickets over the phone. You'll see that clicking Save brings you to the Event Overview page. This page will update based on all the details you fill in about the event, and these same details will be visible on your storefront when people buy tickets online. This page will also give you an at-a-glance view of ticket sales. From here, you can go through the Details menu to fill in the rest of your information. If you want to use the Messages feature, check this box. Otherwise, the information will not appear in your checkout. It will help you a lot if we take a second here to talk about prices in the Details menu. Here is where you establish different types of seating sections, pricing levels, and capacity. Artfully groups all of this type of information together and calls it a ticket type. You can add as many ticket types as you need. It just so happens that the default setting is General Admission, but you can type in whatever name you want. Keep in mind that the names and descriptions will appear to your patrons on the storefront. The description may be useful to you if patrons get certain kind of treatment based on what type of ticket they purchase, or if you have any sort of seating restrictions connected to a certain ticket type. Since patrons are able to see this information on your storefront when they purchase tickets, it may help make their purchasing decisions. You'll know all your work is saved because we'll tell you so right here. You'll also notice that nothing we've done so far allows us to specify show dates and times for our production, and that's because Artfully is designed to be flexible enough for you to change ticketing and show information on the fly without affecting the main details we already established. So we'll go over to the Shows menu. There are 2 buttons you can use to add a show. We'll select the date of your show by scrolling through this calendar using the arrows, and then adjust the start time by clicking and dragging the hour and minute bars. Because you've already done the pricing information, you'll see it's already populated. But you'll have the opportunity here to add a new ticket type for this show specifically. It's helpful to remember that when you add a ticket type to a certain show, that new ticket type will only be available for that show. I'll illustrate this a little better for you in just a moment. That means that once you've published that show, all those tickets will be available online for purchase. If you don't want those tickets to be available right away, you can click the plain old Save button. Now let's say you're having a special VIP party after the Friday show, so you'll be selling tickets at the general admission price, as well as a new set of more expensive VIP tickets. If you wanted to adjust any of the numbers for the general admission price in particular, you can do that here. Remember that this adjustment will not change the ticket types for any other show other than this one at the general admission price. So to add our VIP tickets, we'll go to the Add New Ticket Type button, and then add the name, details, price, and capacity for those VIP tickets. You'll see the show's at a glance page updates with these new VIP tickets. To add a second show, just go back to the Shows menu and click Add Show and go through the same process as before. Now on the Overview page, you'll see that the new Saturday show only has the general admission price that was established in the Event Details menu, and the Friday performance has both the general admission and VIP tickets available. The last step is to see that everything looks the way it should for your ticket buyers. To do this, you'll want to go over to your Artfully storefront in the Share and Sell menu. This is exactly how your patrons will see it when you share this link with them. They'll see their date and ticketing options, the event description, how to get to the event, who to call with questions, etc. And if you are set up to accept donations with Artfully, an option appears here to make a donation in addition to or instead of their purchase. And that's how you create events, add shows, and set up ticket prices. For more how-to videos and articles, check out our knowledge base, which you can link to from the Help drop-down menu up here. If you have any questions, you can give us a call or email us at support@artful.ly. Thanks for watching.